Hey everyone, and welcome to English Bites. Today we're serving up a big ol' plate of essential English words. These are the words you'll hear and use every single day, from ordering coffee to chatting with your friends. Trust me, mastering these common words is like having the magic key to unlock fluent English conversation. So, get ready to learn, laugh, and maybe even dance a little as we dive into the delicious world of English words. Each word will be highlighted and explained, so you know exactly how to use it in your daily life. Starting with the most important ingredient, the. It's like the salt and pepper of English, we use it everywhere. The is a definite article, used to specify a particular noun that is known to the reader or listener. To be or not to be, that is the question. This little word is a powerhouse, acting as both a main verb and a helping verb. Be means to exist or occur. It's used to describe states of being, identity, and characteristics. To is a preposition used to indicate direction, place, or position, to infinity and beyond. Okay, maybe not infinity, but it's essential for saying where you're going or what you're doing. Of is like the glue that holds our sentences together, showing how things relate to each other. It indicates belonging, origin, or connection. For example, a friend of mine, or the city of Paris. And the adventure continues. We use and to connect our thoughts, just like we connect with our friends. And is a conjunction, a word used to link words, phrases, or clauses together. A is for awesome. Well, it's actually for introducing singular nouns, but you get the idea. A is an indefinite article used before words that begin with a consonant sound. In the zone, we use in to talk about being inside something or part of a group. It indicates location or inclusion. That is a pointing word. It helps us identify things and connect our ideas smoothly. It is used to refer to a specific thing previously mentioned or easily identified. Have you ever noticed how often we use this word? It's everywhere, just like our love for English. Have is a versatile verb used to indicate possession, experience, or necessity. It's essential in forming perfect tenses and expressing obligations. I am thrilled you're here. I is how we talk about ourselves. It is a pronoun used to refer to oneself. English is all about expressing yourself. It can be tricky because it can refer to anything. It is a pronoun used to identify a thing previously mentioned or easily identified. But don't worry, with a little practice, you'll get it. For all you English learners out there, this word is for you. For tells us the purpose or reason behind something. It's used to indicate the intended recipient or goal of an action. Not is a word used to make a sentence negative. Not everything is easy in English, but don't worry, we'll get through this together. On to the next word. On is all about position, like being on top of the world with your English skills. It indicates a surface or a state, such as on the table or on duty. With a little help from our friends, we can achieve anything, with shows accompaniment and togetherness. It indicates being alongside or in the company of someone or something. He is our go-to pronoun for talking about a male, like a brother, father, or friend. It is used to refer to a man or boy previously mentioned or easily identified in the conversation. As smooth as butter, this versatile word can be a preposition or a conjunction, often used to show comparison or similarity. For example, as brave as a lion or as soon as possible. You are amazing for sticking with this video. You is a pronoun used to directly address someone, making it personal. It refers to the person or people being spoken to. Do you want to speak English fluently? Of course you do. Do is a versatile verb used to form questions, make negatives, and emphasize actions. At the heart of it all, English is about connecting with others. At tells us the location or time of something. It is used to indicate a specific point in space or time, such as at the park or at 3 p.m. This is getting exciting. This is another pointing word, helping us be specific in our conversations. It refers to something close to the speaker, making it clear what we're talking about. Life is full of surprises, but that's what makes it fun. But introduces a contrast or exception. It connects two ideas that are different or opposing. His English is improving every day. His is a possessive pronoun, indicating that something belongs to a male. It shows possession, just like your dedication to learning. Step by step, you're becoming a confident English speaker. By indicates the means or agent of an action. It shows how something is done or who is doing it. For example, by car or by John. From is a preposition that indicates the origin or starting point of something. From beginner to fluent, we're all on a journey with English. Use from to show where something begins or originates. They is a plural pronoun used to refer to a group of people. They say practice makes perfect, and they are right. We are in this together. We is a powerful word that shows unity and shared experience. It signifies a collective group, emphasizing togetherness and mutual support. Say means to express in words. It's all about communication and sharing our thoughts. Use it to convey what you feel clearly. Her is the possessive form of she, showing ownership or belonging. For example, her English skills are on fire. Use her to indicate something that belongs to a female. She is confident, she is fluent, she is an English speaker. She is our pronoun for a female. It is used to refer to a woman or girl previously mentioned or easily identified. Or is a conjunction used to present choices or alternatives. For example, we can learn more English words. Or we can practice what we already know. Or gives us options and possibilities. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and an understanding of articles keeps your English clear. An is an indefinite article used before words that start with a vowel sound. It helps specify a non-specific item in a general sense. Will you join me on this English adventure? Of course you will. Will is a modal verb used to express future intentions or willingness. My goal is to help you achieve your English dreams. My shows possession, emphasizing what belongs to us. It is used to indicate ownership or a close relationship with something or someone. One step at a time, one word at a time, we're making progress. One represents singularity and unity. One is used to indicate a single entity or unit, emphasizing individuality or togetherness. All you need is love and a good grasp of English. All is a determiner that means the whole quantity or extent of something. It's used to refer to every person or thing in a group. Would you believe me if I said you're doing great? Because you are. Would is used to express a possibility, a polite request, or a hypothetical situation. There you go. You're getting the hang of it. There is used to indicate a place or position. Their dedication to learning English is truly inspiring. There shows possession for a group of people. It is used to indicate that something belongs to them. What is a question word used to ask for information about something. What are you waiting for? Let's keep learning. So, are you ready to become an English pro? I think so. So is a versatile word in English. It can be used to indicate a result, to start a question, or to emphasize a point. Up and at 'em, let's keep this energy going. Up can mean moving to a higher position or level, or simply getting out of bed in the morning. It's a versatile word used in many contexts. Shout out to all the English learners out there. You're doing amazing. Out is a versatile word in English. It can mean moving from inside to outside, like he went out of the house. It can also mean something is no longer in a certain state, like the fire is out. Keep practicing and you'll master these nuances. If you can dream it, you can achieve it, especially when it comes to English fluency. If introduces a condition, meaning it sets up a scenario or possibility. It's often used to discuss potential outcomes or hypothetical situations. About is a versatile word in English. It can indicate a topic, as in, let's talk about English. It can also suggest an approximation, like, the meeting is about an hour long. Who is our question word for asking about people. It helps us identify or inquire about a person who wants to speak English like a native. Get ready to impress everyone with your English skills. Get is a versatile word with many meanings, such as to obtain, to become, or to understand. It's also used in tons of phrasal verbs like get up, get over, and get along. Which is a word used to ask questions about choices. Which English accent is your favorite? Which helps us choose between options. Go for it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Go is a versatile verb used to indicate movement or action. It can mean to move from one place to another, to leave, or to proceed with something. English is for everyone, including me and you. Me is the object form of I. It is used when referring to oneself as the object of a verb or preposition. Thank you so much for joining me on this whirlwind adventure through 50 essential English words. Remember, the key to fluency is practice, practice, practice. Use these words every chance you get, have fun with them, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep those English muscles working, and I promise you, you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Practice means to do something repeatedly to improve your skill. In language learning, it involves using new words in sentences, speaking and writing regularly.